I hope all will be fine. Be safe and stay home. Just update the YouTube channels and learn the lessons what we are uploading from our school. Okay, ma? Okay. So in the previous class, Social Geography Unit 1 we learned is yes. Okay, the interior of the earth. So this class we are going for Civics Unit 1, Equality. Okay, just say me what is equality? Any guess about that? Yes. So sharing whatever the things, problem, whatever it may be, happiness, sadness, everything. Okay, everything sharing equally, both men and women in the in all the places, all the times. Okay, we can say. So equality is nothing but so sharing the things each and every person at every time and everywhere. Fine. So what are the learning objectives in this lesson? To understand the meaning of equality, to know the importance of equality, and to learn the different types of equality, to know the various articles of our constitutions that have guaranteed equality. Clear, ma? Yes. Shall we move to the lesson? Yes. So just see that picture, what they are doing. Yes. You look too tired today. Heavy work in office? Let's share. House chores. Wow, that's great. So that man and lady, they are talking and they are going to share the things. So one is going to wash and another person is going to cook. Yes. So this is called as the equality, sharing the work whatever it may be among each and every persons. Clear, ma? Yes. So naturally we should not dominate black in color, in caste, in height, talent. So some may be studying good, some may be studying below us. Yes or no? So we should not dominate that person by seeing the color, height, talent, physical strength and etc. Fine, ma? So each and everything should be rectified. Okay. So for example, if you are taking twins, okay, so they will be same in nature, but the capacity, the capabilities, what they are having, what are the characteristics, so it will be differ from one to another. Okay, ma? Yes. So what is equality? So just see that equality is ensuring individuals or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specified protected characteristics, including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, and sexual orientation and age. Okay. So though some persons may be good in drawing, yes or no, but KG student, they also will be good in drawing. Am I right? Yes. So the students, those who have completed their college life and go for working, so we should not say that LKG student they are drawing and yourself can't, like that we should not dominate each other. Okay, each and every places, each and every areas, we should give equal rights to that person. Fine. Okay. So Professor Lasky is saying that equality does not mean identify of treatment, the sameness of reward. Okay. So what is the capability, what is the characteristic of that person? According to that only equality will be based. Okay. So it means first of all absence of social privileges. On the second, it means that adequate opportunities are laid upon to all. So is it clear, ma? Can you understand what is equality? Yes. Sharing the things in individuals or else in the groups. Fine. So why it is importance, for what purpose? So first, in the previous before stages, okay, only means they will be standing in the election, but nowadays they are giving equal rights for the women also. Yes or no? Yes. Not only in political area, but also in the houses. in the public places. Yes, ma. So, equality is a powerful moral and political ideal that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. So, nobody should treat others as they belong to, they are less than themselves. ஓகேவா, நம்மளை விட குறைஞ்சவங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எப்போவுமே வந்துட்டு யாருமே வந்து கெஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. they will also be having some different talents. Fine. So the concept of equality invokes the idea that all human beings have equal worth regardless of their caste, color, gender, race or nationality. ஸோ ஸ்பெஷலாக இந்த ஈக்குவாலிட்டி வை தே ப்ராட் அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு டியூ டு திஸ் கேஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் அண்ட் ரிலீஜியன் ப்ராப்ளம், நான் தான் பெருசு, மை கேஸ்ட் இஸ் குட், மை ரிலீஜியன் இஸ் குட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்காகவே வந்துட்டு தே ஆல் ஸ்டார்டட் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரிபடி ஹேஸ் ஈக்குவல் ரைட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஷேரிங் ஆல் த திங்ஸ். கிளியர்? So the democratic ideals such as liberty, equality etc. meaningful and effective. So equality வந்து ரொம்ப important. ஓகேவா? So equality are meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with justice. Fine, ma. So justice, after it came to a law only, all they are treating equal. Fine. So what are the kinds of equality? Social equality, civil equality, political equality and gender equality. What are the equality? Yes, social equality, civil equality, political equality and gender equality. So let us see what is this social equality. Okay, that is, specially we should not discriminate any persons in their caste, creed, color and race. So what is caste, creed, color and race? You know, no? Yes. So all the persons should be treated equally and they should be given the opportunity equally, okay, to develop their personal works. Clear, ma? So social equality in sense, we should not discriminate the people under the caste, creed, color and race. caste வச்சோ, ரிலீஜியன் வச்சோ, இல்லை அவங்க கலர் வச்சோ, இல்லை சம் அதர் திங்ஸை வச்சோ, we should not discriminate them. நம்ம வந்து ஈக்குவல் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி we want to give for them to develop their personality. That is social equality. Next is civil equality. Here civil equality, so for each and every person we should give equal rights. ஓகே, ஃபார் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி பர்சன்ஸ், ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்குமே ஒவ்வொரு ஈக்குவல் ரைட்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கு கேட்குறதுக்கு உரிமை இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது தான் வந்து இந்த சிவில் ஈக்குவாலிட்டி. ஓகே, இஃப் ஐ ஆம் டூயிங் எனி மிஸ்டேக், ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் கேன் கொஷின் மீ அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி, இஃப் ஐ ஹாவ் டன் மிஸ்டேக். ஓகே, ஸோ சிவில் ஈக்குவாலிட்டி இஸ் என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் சிவில் ரைட்ஸ் பை ஆல் சிட்டிசன்ஸ். ஸோ தேர் ஷுட் நாட் பி எனி டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷன் ஆஃப் சுப்பீரியர் ஆர் இன்ஃபீரியர். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், in the office side some peoples they will be saying அவங்க வந்து இப்போ தான் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்க, நாங்கள் அப்போ இருந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம் அப்படின்லாம் ஒரு சில கம்பெனிஸில் they will be using to discriminate them. So what we are doing they should do அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி they will be saying, or else rich or poor, இல்லை அப்படின்னா caste or creed. So it should be discriminated. Fine, ma? Superior or inferior, rich or the poor and caste or creed. Fine. So equal rights should be available to all the persons and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Okay, ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்குமே ஒவ்வொரு ரைட்ஸ், எல்லா ரைட்ஸுமே வந்துட்டு இருக்குது. nobody should be discriminated by others. So here rule of law is in force in England and in the eyes of law all are equal and equal treatment is given to all by the rule of law. Okay, so according to the law in sense என்னது, suppose if anybody has done a mistake na, they will be taken to the court. Am I right? Yes. So they won't see the people. Okay, அவங்க வந்து ரிச்சா பூவரா, இல்லை which caste they are, which creed they are. Okay, they won't say, but the punishment will be same for every person. Yes or no? Yes. So rule of law was advocated by A.V. Dicey, the British legal luminary. So who discovered this? Yes, A.V. Dicey, the British legal luminary. Okay, ma. So next is political equality. So political equality in sense, all the democratic countries including India. So India is also a democratic country. So everyone has the right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. So each and every person can able to put vote. Something happened in the public place, now they can ask why you are doing like this, then criticize the government. If the government is not ready to give anything, we can able to ask. So political vote equality is right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. So in sense, what they are coming to say is, so each and every person has equal opportunity to do their works. So in political life also, that is in the elections, okay, the person, those who belong to the election committee, so they are also having, so we can also join them, like that they are saying, okay ma'am. So you people know that in India, at what age we can able to get the put the vote? Yes, at the age of 18. So those who are attaining 18 years can able to vote. Okay, so India is the first country, India is the first country, women also can start to vote, no? So women also started to put their vote in the year 1952. Okay, so India is the first country, India la the first வந்து women also started to put the vote. Okay ma'am. So next, Switzerland in the year 1971. Okay, so any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election. So once if 25 years over ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா they can also join in the election community. Okay ma'am. So the value of the vote of the prime minister and value of the vote of common mean general election is same, which denotes political equality. So prime minister போடுற ஓட்டா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை லோக்கலில் persons we are putting the vote, every vote is equal. Okay, so next is gender equality. Here we should treat both men and women, okay, equal. We should not say that you are a man, you should not do, you are a girl, you should not do, like that and all we should not do. Each and every person has full rights to develop their personal abilities. Okay ma'am. So women were not given rights and they were considered as weak as compared to men, and they were placed in a secondary position to men. So first, in the olden stage, in the olden period, what they did now, they won't allow women to join any meeting or else function. Okay, only the men they started to move. They kept the women in the secondary position. They should be treated equally. Then only they decided the women also has full rights. Okay, they are also having rights, responsibility and opportunity to move anywhere. Okay, on whether they were born male or female. Okay, next is gender equality is the equal right of both men and women to have access to opportunities and resources. So that next only people started to make the girl child also to study. Okay, UNICEF says gender equality means that women and men and girls and boys enjoy the same rights. So women are இருக்கட்டும், men are இருக்கட்டும், girls are இருக்கட்டும், boys are இருக்கட்டும், all are having the same rights. So வந்து விமெனுக்கும் வந்துட்டு சேம் ரைட்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வந்து they started to study, and we all know that women is now leading in all and each and every places, workplace ஆகட்டும், studies இருக்கட்டும், whatever it may be, women are also having full rights. Yes or no? Yes. So here they have given 50% reservation for the women in local bodies. Okay ma'am, 50% வந்துட்டு எங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, local bodies, that is local government side, they are 50% rights வந்து விமனுக்கு இருக்குது. 50% seats they are allotting for the women. Okay, UNICEF says, so whoever it may be, they are having equal rights, same rights, resources, opportunities and politicians. Okay, it does not require that girls and boys or women be same or that they be treated exactly alike. So yara irundhalum here we will be treating equally. Fine. So as of 2017, gender equality is the fifth of 17th sustainable development goals of the United Nations. So here United Nations, they started to form some goals. Okay ma, in that fifth of the 17th sustainable development, so அவங்க நிறைய டெவலப்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதில் வந்து 5th ஒன்ல 17th பிளேஸில் வந்துட்டு which law will be there, gender equality. Okay ma'am, fine. So human dignity is nothing but self respect. Self respect, okay, is the most important human rights from which all other fundamental rights derive. Okay va. Self respect in sense enala mudiyum enna yarum you should not dominate like that. Okay va, like that we can able to ask that, that is called as self respect. Okay, so next is equality of opportunity and education. So in education also, both all the persons they have equal rights to study. Next is equality in Indian constitution. So just to see there, some articles have been given. That is article 14 is saying that guarantees to all the people equally before law. So if it is law, justice nu vandata punishment should be equal for all the persons. Okay, next article 15 is saying deals with the prohibition of discrimination. Okay, so everything, every person should be equally treated. Fine. Next article 16 is saying that provides equality of opportunity in matters relating to employment. So in case if it is job, okay va, in case if it is job, there also everybody should be treated equally. Then article 17 says abolishes the practice of untouchability. So in previous years, in the olden age, some peoples won't be allowed inside the temple, they should not come inside the village, like that they will be saying. So first they stopped this also. Okay, article 17 is saying we should abolish the untouchability. Next article 18 is saying abolishes the titles conferred to citizen. Okay ma. So almost all the countries they started to give all the equal rights for all the persons. Fine. Okay, so equality before law and protection of law has been further strengthened in the Indian constitution under article 21. So what are the equality? We can promote equality by treating all fairly, creating an inclusive culture, ensuring equal access to opportunities, enabling to develop full potential, making laws and policies and education. So wherever we can promote the equal rights na, in the, that is in public places, then in cultures, then equal, that is if it is workplace, then they can also give full potential, both men, women, whatever it may be, rich, poor, whatever it may be, they can also given full potential. Then in laws and policies, and finally in education. So India is the largest democratic country in the world. So compare in the world, our country is the largest democratic country. In each and everything, here in India they are giving equal rights for all the persons. Clear ma'am? Can you understand? Yes.
So students, I hope you might have understand the lesson what we have seen in this video. In the next class, we will be meeting you in the next topic. Thank you.